Yeah. What about okay. Daily classes. What Manyar? Can you can unmute yourself and talk to me?
मैम डेली केस आ रहे, कहाँ से आएंगे? वहाँ पे
No.
पेरेंट्स ही अलाउ नहीं करेंगे।
Yes. I can understand that. That is
मैम
what.
तो हम मैम आउट स्टेट वालों के लिए क्या होगा जो बिहार यूपी के हैं?
I understand.
मैं तो
But
एक दिन आया था, उसी दिन मना कर दिया मुझे कि अब जाना नहीं अगर केसेस आ रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल भी।
Yes. That is true actually. No problem. Okay. By the time, see, government, unless government is not enforcing of this offline mode compulsorily, the university will go on in hybrid mode. So again, it is your choice. Okay, no problem. Okay. So
मैम व्हाट अबाउट द मिड एग्जाम?
it is compulsorily offline, beta. Nothing can be done in that. It is compulsorily offline.
तो फिर मैम हमें आना ही होगा वहां पर।
Yeah. Yes, Rishabh, no problem. You can leave the session. You can join back again.
Indirectly, मतलब बुला ही रहे ना।
Indirectly, yes. For that week, for that mid-semester examination, that is, they have kept offline only. So for that, you have to come for sure. But then classes you can choose to attend. Okay. It is like that, beta. Yes.
मैम ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि हमारा जो नहीं आते उनका बाद में मीड हो जाए?
No. There is no such scenario, beta. They have not kept like that. If you have issues with 1 or 2 days or something, when in coming the mid, you can talk to your class coordinator. Probably there is possibility if you are coming from outer state, then because of this COVID and all, there could be a possibility that 1 or 2 days, if you are missing 1 or 2 papers, that is fine. But you have to re-give the examination again. Whenever you come back here, you have to appear for those of the papers when you reach, when you land in Rajkot. But for the people who are living in Gujarat, it is for sure compulsory. They have to come and give here. Right? It is for sure. But if you're coming from outer state, there may be possibility of not finding the flights at the right time or something. Then you can, arrange it something like that. One or two papers you can give after 2 days or something like that. But once you land in the Rajkot, in the city, you have to give examination. Yeah. Yes. Okay. What about the questions that we were doing in the class? Do you remember which question we have last done? If you want to do this lab manual, I am okay with that. Practical list. Otherwise, we can move on to assignment number 3. I'm okay with that also. Whatever you say. What do you want to do today? Yes.
Whatever you say, we are comfortable with both.
I am okay. See, this assignment number 3 is having real good questions, not with respect to this mid-semester and all, but they are having good questions. We can do assignment number 3 today if you are okay with that.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Yes, you can even submit it. I am going to change the deadline, of course. I am not telling you to submit on that date only. I'll change the deadline, but there's so many questions you can do, you can submit it accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let us begin with assignment number 3. There are good questions in that. Real brainstorming questions are there. We can begin with that. Hi, Pranjul, you are here. Good. Pranjul just joined the session. Very good. We are starting with assignment number 3, beta. I'll edit the date. I don't need you to submit exactly on 8th March. I'm okay because the mid semester is coming. I understand.
मैम मिड सेम में क्वेश्चंस कैसे आएंगे? हमने कभी मैम प्रोग्रामिंग वाले सब्जेक्ट की एग्जाम दी ही नहीं कभी.
Okay, you have not given. Okay.
No.
Okay. So the questions will be, some of the questions could be predict the output questions also. Some of the questions could be write a program questions also. Okay. Some of the questions could be one-liners like what is the, which keyword is used for, say, for example, creating the object of the class. So you know that new is the keyword used for creating the object. Like that questions could be there. Right. But again, the paper will be set according, considering every single person in the class. So it will not be kept of that much high level, not of that much low level. It will be kept according to the students who are, in the class. Right. Getting it. Everybody should be able to attend the paper. It will be, created like that. Yeah.
Will we get any PPT regarding chapters or PDF, anything?
Okay. I think in your e-content, will you check it once? Is it there or not in your e-content? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Somebody is saying something.
Am I audible?
Oh, yes. Okay. I don't know why your volume is coming low, but yes, I can hear you, Sharma. Yes, you are saying something.
मैम कुछ माइक इशू है, मेरा चल नहीं रहा,
That
पता
is
नहीं
okay.
अभी
Yeah,
हो रहा
that is okay. I can hear you. I can hear you. That is okay. No problem.
है। ओके मैम।
Yes, yes. Yes, so you will get questions like that. You will get programming questions also. If the programs are very short, like say for example, in an assignment you have seen, like say for example, finding the highest and lowest number from the array, then those questions are of nearly 4 to 5 marks. But if you have big questions like say for example, creating a few switch cases in a line, like each case will perform accordingly to the different functions. Like in one of the case you are printing first n natural numbers, in another case you are printing all the odd numbers, those kind of questions. Then there are big questions, they'll be of 8 marks like that. Okay, but programming questions will be there for sure because the subject is of programming only, no? So you will be facing the questions where you have to write the program. So if you don't have the practice of that, you can start working at home for that. Okay. Yes.
मैम ये कंटेंट में पूरा फीडबैक आया है,
ये कंटेंट में क्या है बेटा?
फीडबैक मांग रहा है सबके, फिर देख पाएंगे।
अच्छा ऐसा, that I don't know. See, I don't have that application. I don't know if I can download and if I can install it or not.
मैम ई कंटेंट में नहीं है मैम।
अच्छा, it is not there. Okay. But do you really need the PPTs? You have the YouTube videos with you. See, the thing is that what I can keep in the PPTs, just a few statements, right? Of what is switch case and all. But the real thing, what you've done in the class, when that comes, in the class, naturally, that is not there in the PPT. But are you getting? The reason I am avoiding PPT is for that reason only. I cannot keep every single idea that I had in class in PPT. Getting it? Because PPT will be kind of, a few slides, which is there having the concept, but what is the real idea behind the concept, it is not there in PPT. I cannot explain that in PPT. That is the reason I am recording the videos and I'm, posting it on YouTube and all. Getting the thing. But if you want, I can definitely create the PPTs for you. Whatever you feel comfortable, I'm okay with that. What do you think? Should I share? Should I create PPTs? I have never created any content like this before. This is first time me creating it, because whenever I teach, I always record the video. I always have that flexibility, to have the camera and record the live sessions that everybody can access. And here we had online sessions only, so it was a good option. What do you want? बोलो ना शो करूँ do you want PPTs? I can make and give it to you. Whatever you want.
पहले कभी दी नहीं है एग्जाम तो.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'll make general PPTs for you. I'm okay with that. No problem. Yes, okay, fine. Yeah.
मैम ये तो ठीक है, बट मैम ऑफलाइन एग्जाम अगर पॉसिबल हो, अगर आपकी बात कर सको और अगर अवॉइड हो सके तो अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि मैम प्रॉब्लम क्या है, काफी लोग आ ही नहीं पाएंगे, और अगर आएंगे भी तो मतलब मन से नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि मैम देखो लाइफ का रिस्क है, क्योंकि हेल्थ का रिस्क है मैम। वहां पे ऑलरेडी हॉस्टल में वार्डन है, उनको हो चुका है मैम। अगर वार्डन जो अलग अपने सिंगल रूम में रहते हैं उनको हो सकता है कोविड, मैम जो बच्चे रूम शेयर करते हैं मैम, जिनके कॉमन टॉयलेट बाथरूम है मैम, उनको तो कोविड होने के कितने चांसेस हैं?
No, I understand, beta. For those points, you already, already the HODs and the people here are already aware of these scenarios, and they have decided to keep it offline only, beta. So whenever you land in Rajkot, the first thing you have to do is you have to give the examination. Now again, you can talk to your, counselor what she is asking you. If he or she is telling you that okay, you can come after a few days, that is dependent on the case. Varies on the case. So you can talk to your CC what she is telling you. If she's agreeing, then obviously she'll be talking to the head of the department and then she'll be informing you, right? But again, the decision is going to vary from person to person here, right? You can
गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से तो रूम में 2 जने हैं, फिर भी हम 4 जने रखे हुए रूम में.
There are 2 people in the sharing in the room.
According to guidelines, there should be 2 people.
Oh, okay. I don't know how bigger the room is or how the scenario in hostel is, beta, but you can talk to your CC regarding that. No problem.
Sure, ma'am.
Understand?
We'll talk with our CC, ma'am.
Yes. You put your case in front of her, and if she's comfortable in representing to the HOD, then some decision might be taken. But for now, it is offline only, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to start with assignment number 3 now?
Yes, ma'am. Doubt in number 5.
Yes. Oh, number 5. You reached number 5. Oh, wait.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
open the questions. Wait. Oh, okay. Now I have it. Okay.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yeah. You had a doubt in?
Ma'am, question number 8. Yes, ma'am. In question number 8, I completed all questions. That is all 26 questions. I only have problem in question number 8. Actually, how to create a random operation?
Okay. For random operation, what you can do is create an array for storing these operands in one string array or some character array. Okay. Create one array, store these operands in that array. Okay. And then randomize the index of the array. Are you getting it? If you can randomize the index, then at that particular index, whatever character is there, no, or whatever string is there, no, if it is plus, then the addition should be done like that. Getting it?
But ma'am, I had just like I had first of all I have to define an array, a string array, okay? Then
Okay.
in that array I have to insert these operations, operands, and but then if that is already being to of a limited size, then how I will randomize that?
Okay. So for limited numbers only, see, you know how to generate a random number from 1 to 4 or 1 to 5, right? Use that logic here.
Yes, I know that.
Yes, then use the logic. Because see, randomization of
But
the
I used it for gen numbers.
Can you repeat it? I didn't got your question.
Will it work for arrays? I want to know that.
Okay, let me share my screen. I got your question. Let me share my screen. Wait. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. See. So if, say for example, you have a character array, okay, you are creating a static character array which is storing these operations, these operands inside it, okay. Minus is there, multiplication is there, division is there, and modulus is there, okay. These are the, operands you have stored it inside the character array. Now, in the backend it is like this, right? Right? So in short, a of 0 will be plus, right, Pranjul? Pranjul, are you there? Pranjul? What happened? Is he there or he left the session? Oh, he's there. Pranjul, are you able to hear me?
छोड़ो मैम, फिफ्थ करवा दो.
हाँ, क्या हुआ पंजानी? फिफ्थ करवा देता हूँ. ठीक है. फिफ्थ. Yes. Fifth, okay. Fifth is this one, no? Okay. This, I think you already have done this. Have I given this question in your classes or not? I forgot that in the previous lecture. Not given. Okay, it is very easy. You know this, you input the coordinates, right? Now, if you want to determine that whether the first circle is inside the second circle or not or something like that, then you have to calculate the distance formula. You know that distance formula?
Yes मैम, concentric circle वाला लॉजिक लगेगा.
हाँ, वो लगा के देखना है कि अगर सेकंड सर्कल फर्स्ट के अंदर है कि नहीं. समझ में आया?
और ओवरलैपिंग का फिर
अगर अलग अलग है तो रेडियस का जो समेशन होगा, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? इफ यू सम द रेडियस, if it is inside this, if it is less than, okay, don't even sum. Okay, if this first circle is inside the second circle, then what will happen? According to the radius, the distance formula, what will be?
Ma'am, radius se compare kar lena. Radius will be equal.
No, you need to calculate the distance, between the centers of the circle. No, in this case. समझ में आया? If you add both the radius and then if you calculate the distance between both the centers, then how can you relate with that formula? Now, are you getting what you need to do? Somebody's typing something. Radius is equal. Then what if the centers are different then? You need to calculate the distance formula. You remember that distance formula for calculating the distance of between two centers?
Yes ma'am.
That you need to apply over here. I forgot the formula. It is x under root of something, no? Yeah.
जैसे अंडर रूट ऑफ x1 minus x2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 का होल स्क्वायर.
Yes, yes, yes. So now if that distance is a, what will you compare that distance with radius? How can you compare? How can you compare with the distance? Wait, let me get my pen.
मैम दोनों का सेंटर के बीच का डिस्टेंस रेडियस ही हुआ ना. अगर r1 plus r2 वही हुआ
हाँ.
उसके डिस्टेंस के इक्वल तो मतलब
Hmm.
प्रूव क्या होगा?
If r1 plus r2, ठीक है, your distance is greater than the summation of both the radius summation, then they both are outside each other, right?
Yes, ma'am. They do not overlap.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. But if scenario is like this, then the distance will be
Less than r1 plus r2.
yes. So they are inside the circle. Getting it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. No problem. Yes, Pranjul, are you back now? Pranjul, some problem with your internet? Oh, I think. No, वो नहीं बता रही हूँ मैं आपको ये क्वेश्चन बता रही हूँ, ये वाला क्वेश्चन. Pranjul, this you are getting now. This array will be stored like this, right? Now, if you have to generate a random index from this, how will you generate? Can you tell me? Pranjul? If you want to generate a random index,
Ma'am, we will use the math.random function.
yes, correct. You can use this function, okay? And what I am telling is the output of this
Math.random function.
yes, output will be the index of this array, of AR array, right? And then whatever is the answer of this, say for example, the answer is index only, then the operation will be what? Operation will be operand 1. Then if AR of index, if that is plus, then you will do OP1 plus OP2. Are you getting it? Andrew?
Yes, ma'am, I got that. Now I got that. I will try it once again.
Yes, no problem.
But you gave one condition, ma'am, that should be under a user go for some given option like exit or on entering 0 as a number. Until unless it should done by the user, it should continue again and again in the loop. I was facing problem into that.
Okay, it's a different question. Okay, that you are telling no till 0. Yeah, you were saying something.
No. Read the second line. Using loop, user represents the answer of equation.
The question is correct. Yes. So if this is the question thrown to the user, right? If the question is thrown like this, the plus operator is randomized. That the question was, this operator that you are using here in the operation is randomized. Plus is randomized. How to randomize plus? By using this method. Okay. Create a string or a character array, and accordingly, randomize the indexes, and whatever is the output of the indices, get it into the array index, and then check whether it is plus or not. Okay, if it is plus, then print the equation like this, that the answer of this should be, the answer of this should be what? Give me the answer of this question. Okay, then whatever input user will take, compare with the actual answer.
You need.
Can you repeat? Your voice is breaking so much.
Ma'am, what you exactly want in that question? That the number input should be taken by the user?
No, the number is also randomized. The question here is that random equation of two operands means the complete equation is randomized, including the operator and the operands. Everything is randomized here. And this operands, this 5, 2, 10, 5, that is the reason I have given you here a small constraint that you can only, create the numbers, only it is for one digit number only. You can do the operation for only 0 to 10 digits. I am okay with that. Okay, so whatever is the random number that you are generating here, according to the operand, whatever this OP1 you are generating, it is nothing but random number only. And this random number should be from 0 to 10. Getting it? Same for OP2. Getting it, Pranjul, now?
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Let me try it once again right now.
Yes, no problem. Yes. Okay, the people who have not started this, you can start with question number 1. Okay, I'm happy to help you from question number 1 itself. I am okay with that. Any simplest question, you unmute yourself and talk to me. Some of the questions already have done in the class, right? That is okay. If you can skip those questions, I am okay with that. But these are good questions. Oh, even validation I've kept here. Okay, that is good. Good. I'll just fill my water bottle and come. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Yes, anybody facing any questions in question number 1? Any of the questions, you can talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Yes. Pima, you were saying something.
No, ma'am. If I face problem, I will seek help from you, ma'am.
Okay.
That's all,
But
ma'am.
Pima, you start working on these questions, okay? Assignment number 3, questions are critical, okay?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Yes.
Just I'm having problem with my laptop, so
Oh, okay.
we'll try to join, ma'am. We'll try to do, ma'am.
Yes, no problem. Pandwani, you were saying something, beta. Yeah.
Yes. मैम 5th वाले में मैम ओवरलैप करना और
हाँ.
सेंटर सेम होना मैम फर्क है ना दोनों में.
Okay.
वन सर्कल इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द अदर और दोनों सर्कल का ओवरलैप करना मैम डिफरेंस है ना दोनों में. आपने एक ही कंडीशन बताई दोनों के लिए.
Okay. रुको. If I'm able to get that, yes, I got the question from my original assignment. Let me share my screen with you, okay? Let me share.
Yes.
This is one of my assignment that I have created, no? In that, from that type, the question I have, taken. Let me, are you able to see my screen?
No ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Yes, now we can see.
Okay, now you can see now. Let me show the figure itself. Okay, now can you understand?
Yes ma'am.
Right.
आपने पहले जो एग्जांपल से बताया वो दूसरा सर्कल तो
वो
टच नहीं करा
आउटसाइड.
फर्स्ट वाले को.
हाँ, एक टच नहीं किया था मैंने, उसको आउटसाइड रखा था. एक इनसाइड था, एक आउटसाइड था. अभी ओवरलैप का समझ में आ गया आपको?
ये तो लॉजिक तो पता है, कोड में नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा. Okay. Then you share your screen. Oh, okay. I thought that. Okay. Oh, yes. Share the screen, but I'll stop presenting. Yes. Okay, I can see your screen. Yeah. Okay. You have taken input. Okay, correct. You are calculating the square root of. Oh, okay. I understand. See the square root that you have taken, beta. Okay. Yes. That is also correct. Okay. Now calculate the distance. Okay. If the distance, if another circle is inside circle 1, then the distance between both the centers will be less than or equals to the difference in the radius. If it is inside the circle, then difference of radius R1 minus R2, right? जो आपका distance between two centers होगा, जो आपने distance में store किया है पंजवानी, वो less than या equal to होगा अगर आपका circle 2 circle 1 के अंदर है तो, है ना? What I am telling is, I don't know if you are able to hear me or not. This distance will be less than or equals to the first radius. What is radius 1? Okay. What is radius 1? Radius 1 minus radius 2. Okay. If they are inside, if your circle that is C1, or C2, whatever is the case, is inside C1, right?
Yes,
ये हो गया अपना फर्स्ट कंडीशन, अगर इनसाइड है तो, ठीक है. और अगर ओवरलैप कर रहा है तो क्या होगा? इफ द सर्कल 2 इज ओवरलैपिंग सर्कल 1, देन द डिस्टेंस दैट यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग, इट विल बी लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू द summation of both the radiuses. That is overlapping condition, right? Easy?
Yes ma'am.
Correct.
Okay, मैं वापस एक बार वो पहले वाला R1 minus R2 वाला.
अगर सर्कल 2 सर्कल 1 के अंदर है,
Yes ma'am.
तो अभी डिस्टेंस करो दोनों का कैलकुलेट, सेंटर्स का, ठीक है? That will be smaller than the difference between both the radiuses. If it is inside, it means one of the circle is having a smaller radius, no, according to the another one. If it is inside,
Yes ma'am.
तो डिफरेंस दोनों रेडियस का होगा, वो ज्यादा होगा डिस्टेंस के हिसाब से.
Okay ma'am.
हाँ, समझ में आ गया? क्योंकि रेडियस का कम होगा तो ही उसके अंदर होगा ना, वो अदरवाइज कैसे अंदर होगा उसके?
मतलब दो इफ कंडीशन आएगी.
हाँ, दो इफ कंडीशन आएगी. If the distance between both the centers that you have calculated distance variable if it is less than or equals to the difference between the radius. दोनों रेडियस का सब्ट्रैक्शन कर दो, चाहे उसमें मोड डाल दो, not a problem with that. Okay, if you keep mode inside it, that is also okay, because it may come to be negative. No, so you can use mode function and you can calculate R1 minus R2. Right, that is also okay. Then it is inside. Circle 2 is inside circle 1. Right?
Okay,
If the distance is
it's overlap.
हाँ, inside है. Overlapping में क्या रहेगा?
ये मतलब distance sum से less होगा.
Yes, correct. Correct, you are right. Second case is what? Overlapping. You have got it now.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello, madam.
Yes, Prima.
Where is our class, madam?
What happened, Prima?
Where is our class, madam? I think I have to come in class, madam, right now. I have to attend class, madam.
You are in college? Currently, you are in college?
Yes, madam, but I'm in quarantine, madam, right now. Still, then I have to attend because my laptop isn't working, ma'am. It's not working, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you are in quarantine, then you cannot come to the college. You have to stay in hostel, beta.
They allowed us to go, ma'am.
They have allowed you to go?
Yes, ma'am. Since last week, ma'am. Still, then I thought of staying for quarantine. I thought of staying without being clean, ma'am, but my laptop.
Quarantine system is like that. If you only have to stay in a room alone, in isolation, and outside of your hostel room, you can be with friends, be in a group everywhere.
It's like that, ma'am.
This is the quarantine system in our college.
Okay.
So what's the point of doing it?
Nothing. It's just like only you have to stay in quarantine. That's it.
Can I come, ma'am?
Yes, Prima.
For class, ma'am?
If they are allowing you to come to class, I am okay with that. Are they allowing you to come to college?
What's class, ma'am, right now? I will come right now, ma'am.
But if you are only allowed, then only you come. Otherwise, you don't come, Prima. You are allowed?
Yes, ma'am. We are allowed to go, ma'am.
Okay, then it is lab number 6. Sorry, lab number 7.
Lab number 7, which means second
Yes.
floor, right, ma'am?
Second floor, yes.
Okay, ma'am. We'll come right now, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, no problem, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Mod of R1 minus R2 कैसे करेंगे?
You know that mode function is in math class, beta.
Math dot mode.
Math dot ABS है, absolutely.
ABS, yes, ma'am.
ABS, yes.
Ma'am, I had a question.
बोलो ना.
In this very same circle and question number 5, circle question.
Okay.
Ma'am, okay, we have the radii.
Okay.
Now we have the distance formula, but a condition you gave that we also have to tell that which circle is inside within the circle, right?
Okay.
Then how we are going to decide that?
Oh, you don't have to print which circle is inside circle 1 or not. No. We just have to check are both the circles overlapping or it is inside or what is the situation?
Ma'am, you wrote in the question that determine whether the second circle is inside the first circle or they are overlapping. So
Yes.
how we will decide that which circle is inside which circle?
That you don't have to determine, but you just have to see, assume any one of the circle as the first and assume any one as second, okay? You don't have to tell whether first is inside second or second is inside first. You just have to check whether they are inside each other or they are overlapping. That's it.
We need not to mention that, right?
You don't have to mention that. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I present? Will you check it out? If
Yes,
it is
yes.
okay?
Yes.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Okay, yes. Now I can see your screen here.
So here I just had taken the coordinates from the user and I had predefined a formula to calculate the radius from the coordinates.
Okay. So you are doing okay. You have okay, x square, x1 square plus y1 square, the whole root. Okay, shouldn't it be minus? Okay, what is a and b? A and b, it is x1.
It is just for calculating the radius of the circle.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Pythagoras theorem, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Pythagoras. Yes. Okay. Yes, got it. And now m is the distance, right?
Yes.
M is the distance, y2 minus y1 and correct, x2 minus x1 the whole square. Okay. Now you are checking whether, okay, good. Then m is less than a plus b or not. Otherwise, summation of the radius. Otherwise, m is greater than this. Then you're also testing whether circle B is bigger than circle A or not.
I had tested it earlier, but you told that it is okay if we consider randomly anyone as. So I just kept the test results as same.
Yes, that is okay. Good. Yes, it is correct only actually.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, done.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes. Rishabh, which question you are working on right now? Saif Ali, which question you are working on? Yes. Okay, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have entered 5. Radius is 5. They don't overlap. Yes, it is correct only. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is right.
मैम कल सही है ना?
हाँ सही है. देखो आपका सेंटर देखो x1 y1, आपका दूसरा सेंटर देखो, रेडियस भले ही सेम हो लेकिन सेंटर देखो आपका अलग अलग है, ओवरलैप नहीं करेगा. इट इज करेक्ट ओनली.
मैंने डिस्टेंस भी प्रिंट करा है, चेक कर.
हाँ नहीं देखा मैंने. करेक्ट ओनली. अंजवानी राइट.
ओके.
Yes. Saif Ali, are you there? Srinarayan, which question you are working on? Shri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question you are working on?
Ma'am, I have done till up to 21.
Oh, you have done till? You have done till with which question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done till 21.
21. Oh, wow. Good. Oh, okay. Good. Did you also, perform the question regarding this conversion of decimal to binary and all? That also you did?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes. Okay. Nice. You are doing the 22nd question right now?
Yes, ma'am.
They are very easy, right? These questions are very easy. String questions are always easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
तुम 6th वाले में चॉइस क्यों लिखी है?
6th वाले में ऐसा लिखा है कि रिवर्स भी अगर करना है तो
वो भी कर सकते हैं. ओके मैम.
हाँ ऐसा तो C लिखा तो सेल्सियस टू फ़ारेनहाइट, अगर F लिखा तो ऐसा कुछ है ना.
ओके मैम.
But that you have done, you can ignore that question. Move on to the next question because this you already have done. No, Celsius to Fahrenheit that you have done in the class.
नो मैम.
Okay. फिर कर लो. I have one more question in mind. Okay. How shall I frame it? Wait. Okay. 13. Yes. Okay. आपको prime numbers पता है ना? You know prime numbers, right? One more question, just for the side dish. You know these are prime numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now these are prime numbers. There are also MIRP numbers, the reverse of prime, as the name suggests. The number is MIRP if MIRP numbers are the numbers whose reverse is reverse and the number itself. Okay, they both are prime. Are you getting?
Yes, got it.
Of 13.
31.
I'm like 37.
Oh, 37. Yes, correct. 37 and 73. Then this 73 or 37 both will be MIRP numbers. Getting it? तो ऐसा प्रोग्राम करना है कि इनपुट द
अरे राज याद है सर ने करवाया पाइथन में.
Is it there?
Okay, boss.
Oh, you have done it. Okay. Then you can do it here. Or I can give you one more question.
ये नहीं था, वो थोड़ा अलग था. तो नाम भूल गया मैम. जैसे 29 है तो 2 + 9
Perfect number.
हाँ, परफेक्ट नंबर जैसा कुछ था.
Summation of the individual numbers is the turning out.
Palindrome था शायद.
Palindrome is this one, beta. 121, 1331. These all are palindromic numbers, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Whose reverse? Yeah. Somebody speaking something. Yes. Okay. These are palindromic numbers. Okay. This mth number are the numbers whose reverse is also prime and the number itself both are prime. Those are mth numbers. Okay. Then that number you told, no, Panjwani, that question I have. Let me search that question. I already have that question that you told. No, summation of the numbers is the number itself. I forgot where I kept it, but I had that question. What is it? Oh, yes. It is this number. Wait.
2 × 9 + 2 + 9 ऐसा.
Yes. That is pi number. I got you. Wait, this question. See, this one. This is just a program to print first 10 pi numbers. A pi number is a number if sum of its digit is equal to the product of the digits. That is what you're telling, no?
No.
Not this one. 2 + 9 and what you are telling? That is a perfect number. What you're telling is a perfect number where you sum all their factors, positive factors, right? Divisors, you can say.
I'm seeing chat box.
Okay. 2 + 9, 11 plus. Okay. That is what you are telling. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. That also you can do. This is also easy. Pi number is also easy. And this is the perfect number is this. Let me type it for you. See, this is a perfect number. Perfect number is where you sum all the factors of the number and you get the same number itself, including 1. That is the example of perfect number. One more example was there. What about 24, 20, 28 or so. Yes, 28. If you think, then it is there. Oh, yes, it is there in this only. It is there in your. This is a perfect number. See, you have 3, 4 numbers to work upon. Yes. Somebody came. Wait. Yes, please come in. Yes, sir. Who are you? Oh, hi. How are you? See, Tima came here in the class. Oh, okay. Good. So you don't have your device?
I have none, but it's getting black and white now.
Oh, okay. Okay. No problem. You can switch on one of the devices. I am okay with it. The switch will be on the CPU. On the CPU, you will have a switch. Make sure electricity is also there. Switch on the main switch. It is starting, right? Okay, good. Oh, okay, we have done that question. That is what you are telling Pranjali. Satisfy the condition. Oh, okay. Good. Yes. Number programs, there are so many number programs. There's also SPI number. There's one more number. I forgot. You search this on Google also, you will get duck number is there. Then, one more number is there. Tech number is there. Okay. Then, one more number is there. Wait. So many numbers are there. Okay, we can work with these many numbers. I'm okay. Srinarayan, you can pick up these numbers. Huh? You can see the definition in Google and then you can try these questions. Okay. Shri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can pick up any one of the number and then you can start working on that. So, Pima, which question you are doing today?
Actually, I think I have done 10 question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to start with question number 4. What happened? Your laptop is not working. That is what you are telling.
Yeah.
Okay, that is fine.
Getting very well.
Okay. No problem. You can start with question number 4. That is okay. Yeah.
I think I have to do from question 1 itself.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Ma'am, how can I randomize the array?
How can you randomize the array? Okay. You want to input random values in the array or what do you want to do? You tell me.
Can you see my screen?
No, I cannot see your screen. Wait. Okay, now I can see your screen. Yes. Oh, okay. This you have done. But bacha, see, this is the integer array, no? Okay, that is
Yes.
okay. Yes, it is okay. Okay. Wait. But array you have to create using flower brackets, beta. So
Here it is.
that is correct. But the flower starting and flower ending should be there. Square is there in Python. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, this is correct. Okay. While true. Okay. Now, see, generate one random number for index of this array. Now, tell me how many characters this array is having 4, right? So, can we say that the first index will be 0 and the last index will be 3, right, Ranjul?
If you have to create an integer and index, right?
Yes, we create integer index in such a way that 0, yes, from 0 to 3, you generate any random number. That will be the randomization of the index. Am I correct?
Okay, so for that, okay. Then we need to define 2 different, okay.
Yes. You can write the formula here itself, it is okay. Okay, you are defining it, okay, fine, no problem. In highest will be 3, right? Yes, correct. Now the same formula you can apply here also for generating the randomized index.
So here I don't need int, right?
You don't need, can you repeat that?
int, this integer.
Yes, you will need to convert itself into, because random is nothing but double value, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Including max and including min. Okay, correct. You are able to get the questions, right, Tima?
Yeah, ma'am. It's in Google Classroom.
Yes, Google Classroom itself. Yes.
Done, ma'am.
They're done. Okay. Now, can I say that if I write ARR of index, if I write ARR of index, I will get the character from your array. No, I'm not telling you to write the condition. I'm telling you that anywhere if I write ARR of index, this means what? Can you tell me?
So that means if ARR of index, we will able to access this array, right?
Randomize also, no? Because
yes, in a very randomized way. Okay.
Yes, getting it now.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me try this. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Search this also. Harshad number is there. Harshad number is another name. I think it is another name for Neven number. Search for it online. Okay. There are multiple names for this number. I forgot different names. and there is one more number, chronic number. Okay, the number that I remember, I am mentioning it here. You can get experience of maths along with programming. It is good.
Ma'am, do you have that notepad page with you?
I deleted it, but I'll write it again. Wait, I'll share my screen. Wait.
No, I just want to go through that if condition. I made some changes, but I'm getting an error. I just want to go through that.
Okay. No, wait. I deleted it. I'll make it again.
तो अभी ये नंबर वाले करने हैं मैम.
अगर जब भी free हो पंचवान, you can research on that. I am not fixating that you do it today itself. Okay. I'm just giving you this as extra questions. The questions I can get in my mind, I'll give it to you. Whenever you're free, you can work on that. I'm okay. क्या था पंचवान यार का question? Okay, yes, I remember now. You are telling that if this that you have chosen, right? If that is plus, then you have to do addition, no, on OP1 and OP2. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Yes. लेकिन directly आपको equation print करना है. This will be an equation sort of, right? Plus AR of index. I hope you are getting this. Plus. No, wait. Not here, bacha. This will come like this. Yes. Are you getting this now?
Okay, then we have to validate the answer of the user. Okay, right?
हाँ, यहाँ से input लेने का बच्चा है ना? Input आ गया, फिर इसको do while में डाल दो. जब तक नहीं आता ना, तब तक ये input लिया जाएगा, ऐसे लिया जाएगा.
हमने while loop लगा रखा है उसके लिए.
तो भी चलेगा. Once it is correct, you can break the loop, right? चलेगा नहीं?
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
Are you getting what you are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't get, you tell me, okay?
Okay.
So when did you came to Rajkot?
From my country, I came on 22nd.
22nd?
Yes, last week.
Okay. Then you have to be quarantined for 14 days.
No, ma'am. Actually, we have to stay for 14 days, but they allowed us to go by one night, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
We took test, ma'am.
Okay.
We already came by taking tests from our country, ma'am. So
Yes.
after reaching here, they directly take test, ma'am.
Oh, okay. They are taking tests directly from in college itself. They are taking the
Yes,
test. Oh, okay.
After that, they let us go to our room, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
We stayed for one night in quarantine.
Okay. In campus itself.
Yes, ma'am, in hostel A, ma'am.
Okay. Which country do you belong to?
Bhutan.
Bhutan. Oh, yes. Yes, anybody having any facing any problems in the assignment questions, you can unmute yourself and talk to me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Which question you are working on right now? Jignesh Prasad, which question you are working on? Jignesh Prasad? He nodded off in the class. Manyar, what about you? Which question you are doing? Okay, you are doing 6th. Okay, fine. Saif Ali, Samir Alam, which question you are doing? Okay, Samir is doing 4th. Okay. Rishabh, which question you are doing now? Okay, fine. Vijay, what about you? Which question you are doing?
6th question.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Harshvardhan, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, which question you are doing, beta?
Ma'am, 2nd.
Okay, fine. And you're starting from the first question. Manyar is doing 3rd. Okay, fine. Yes. If you don't get, you unmute yourself and talk to me, okay? These questions are very easy. See?
Ma'am, SOut is not supported normally. Do we need to use any library for that?
Actually, it is supported in different editors like in Eclipse it is
SOut लिख के टैब दबाना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो पूरा सिस्टम आउट प्रिंट बनता है.
क्या SOut लिख के
टैब दबाना पड़ता है, पर वो सिर्फ नेटबीन्स में ही चलता है. तो पूरा लिख, विजुअल स्टूडियो है ना?
हाँ, विजुअल स्टूडियो.
पूरा लिख.
Editor wise, it is going to change actually. In Eclipse, you write a different shortcut for that. In NetBeans, you write a different shortcut for that.
How can you change this type of person?
Yes, wait.
This type of question.
Okay, insert. You have mistakenly press insert, so now it is one, right?
Okay.
Yes.
It took me too much.
No. This is by mistake you might have pressed it.
Okay.
It will override the things, right?
Yes, ma'am. It took me much.
So much of time.
I wasted my time now.
You could have told me before only, no? See, Rima.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you discussing assignment 3 today, na?
हाँ, beta.
Okay, ma'am, I have completed every question. Hello, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Hello, in assignment number 3, you have done all the questions.
Yes, ma'am. Can I share you?
Yes.
Or I should upload it in classroom?
Which way? I want to see. How you did this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll show you. Please give me some time.
Yeah.
I want to manage the whole the program. I have written every program in a single in single
file.
What?
Yeah. That is okay.
I'll show you, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
Ma'am, I'm getting an error. Can I present my screen?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Not yet. I'm waiting. Okay, yes. Now I can see your screen. Yeah.
Check out if the conditions are okay.
You can see. Okay. While true. Okay. Whatever is the input that. Okay.
Ma'am, here it will be double inverted or single inverted comma.
No, single inverted is okay. Okay. See, I got the this. I got first problem. See, you are inputting only once, no beta. See, in the question you are asking, you are inputting integer L only once. But then you are checking it infinitely, whether L is compared, whether L is equals to C plus P or not. You are checking it infinitely, but L will not change, no beta. If you input L from user in the while loop itself, then it will change, no.
That means we don't need this while loop, basically.
You need it actually. That was correct. But input you are taking outside that while loop. Now, if the question, if this condition L equals C plus P, if it is incorrect, then again new input you have to take. No, new inputs from user you have to continuously take.
Okay, that means they should be within the loop, right?
Yes. Exactly, right. Yes. Now you are correct. Okay, same in the other cases also. Okay, that you can do later on. What else? I want to see the error.
Okay, just a minute. Let me clear it up.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, I'm done now.
Okay, done. Now, what's the error? Let me see.
Should I run this program?
Yes. Error is runtime error, no? Not syntax error is not there.
No. It's runtime error. Man, it's like Y0430. What is that?
Okay, I got it. Okay, see, you are printing the array index, right? That is actually integer array, right?
Yes.
So you will need to convert that to character for showing your character, right?
Okay.
Because you have created the integer array. If your array was of type character, no beta, then you will not need this conversion. That is the first I was telling you that only. Even if it is integer, I am okay with that. But then in print, you need to...
it will be better if I change it to character.
Yes. Correct. Done. Now you will see the character itself. Now let us run and check. Right?
Okay.
Now if you give false answer, correct. Now if you give false answer, then what is happening? Check it.
Let me try it once again.
Why it is 0 every time that I have a problem with it? Why it is 0 every time? Okay, you see it is asking the input again and again. No. It is asking for you to input some random numbers again. Input the wrong answer again. The program is still running only. Your logic is correct. Run it again. Give false answers 3-4 times. Okay. Then I'll come back to that. See. Do you see it? It is asking.
I think it is because of the first while loop which I had given.
No, because of the second while loop. Inside the loop, you have taken line number 23. See that until and unless user is not entering the correct input means the correct value, you are asking and inputting again and again. And
but I have defined a break. No, ma'am. If it is equal, my answer is okay. Then it should break this.
But your answer is incorrect here. See in the output, 0 plus 0 is 0 only. No, you are entering false inputs, right?
Okay, so just let me put the correct answer. Let's see if it is working or not. Why it is always 0 plus 0?
Yes, I am coming to that. You enter 3-4 false answers and then you enter a correct answer. Then I want to see what is happening. Understood?
Okay, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm entering. It is working, but it is presenting me this problem also.
See, now go up. Yes, I got it. Scroll up, beta. Now, the bracket of typecasting, where it is kept, it is only kept in front of mat.random. Do you see it?
Okay.
So that complete expression should be converted to integer. No, not just mat.random. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes. So start the bracket before mat.random. A parenthesis you can start before mat.random and finish the parenthesis after the min variable. So the complete expression should be converted to integer, no? Currently, what is happening?
You mean here in index 1 or that C or P? Which one?
No, wait, stop sharing the screen. Wait, stop sharing the screen. I'll show it.
Okay, okay.
Wait, let me. Okay. They're presenting. Okay, yes. Now it is. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see that.
Okay. Now see, if you are writing integer in front of it, and then you are managing anything after this, right? It is going to convert this into integer first. So any number in this is always in the range of 0.1 to 0.9, right? So whatever is the number, it is converting itself into 0, into integer, and then multiplying 0 with this. No. Whatever is the complete expression, I want to convert that into integer. No. Here you will need brackets, Pranjul, are you getting?
Okay.
Yes, because it is only converting the first 0 into integer, so everything will be 0 only. But now if you keep a bracket after this, then you will convert the whole expression to integer. No, that is the correct way. Yeah? Check it. Are you getting the correct answer after that? Hima, are you able to solve the first question? If not, you tell me.
It's easy.
Easy, no?
Yes.
Good.
To find it one.
Yes, ma'am, it's working fine except one error. Like when I'm entering the correct answer,
Yeah.
I'm getting output as what the line which I printed for the correct answer, and also the expression also I'm getting as an output.
Okay, can you share your screen? Let me see.
Sure, ma'am. Can you
मतलब
see?
8 वाले में numbers 1 to 10 तक ही होने चाहिए ना? आप प्रांजुल को बता रहे हो?
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay, let me see what is the problem in the output. Congratulations, you are printing. Okay, you are printing the expression also. You want to print it? Okay. Scroll down. I got your point now. Okay. Then it is again.
I hadn't given anything to print over here.
अरे तूने न्यू लाइन नहीं डाला मैम इसने, इसलिए नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन उसी टाइम आ जा रही है.
हाँ, next expression is automatically coming. Print ln. Use print ln beta once. Slash and you can add. Okay, yes. Now if you run it again.
Okay, just let me.
No, it is asking you another question also at the same time.
प्रांजुल तो रोमानिया में कर लेगा ना सब.
हाँ भाई, तू परेशान मत हो, इसीलिए तो यहाँ पे गलती कर
नहीं पड़ेगी ना तुझे, वरना चल ले.
इसीलिए हो तू तो रहने दे, भाग इधर से.
Okay, let us run and check now. Is it working?
Okay. Okay.
Line number 19. Can you show it to me? -1 or index is negative and line number 19 is. Yes. Okay. 0 and correct only. How come it is negative? Will you run it again?
You just give me some wrong answers. Let me give, and now it is the correct. Again, it's the same.
It is asking you the same question again and again, right?
Yes. This was the problem.
Oh, okay. Can you? Oh, yes. I got it. See, now scroll. So if you go to your program, Pranjul, see. Only once you have generated this random number outside the while loop, no? Generation will be completely inside the while loop, no, beta? Getting it?
Okay, this all should be within the while loop, right?
Yes, because the reason is that you every time generating a new index, no? Okay. Now try. Yes. Now so it has to work.
Basic small mistakes, ma'am.
No, that is fine.
Okay, it is 9 plus 3. Okay, let me give some wrong answers.
ये -1 क्यों जा रहा है? That I have to check. Wait.
Exception in thread main java.lang.array index out of bonds exception index -1 out of bond reach for length 4.
It is going -1. How it is going -1? That only I want to check. You are writing. Okay, fine. Wait, Pranjul, just give me 1 minute. I want to check that you have added. No, I want to check that formula. After, oh yes, you forgot to, did you add it? Wait, I'm going to mention one expression over here. Let me see your output. Okay. Oh yes, it is correct. Okay, yes, I got it. What is the problem with the random expression? I got it. See, if you want to generate numbers after 0, then you have to mention that minimum plus. Let me write that expression for you. Okay. Minus.
Okay. Should I stop sharing?
Yes. We can stop sharing, of course. I have to keep one bracket here, and I'll put +1 just to be, yes, +1 will include both of them. Yes, okay. And convert this into integer itself. Okay, yes. See, I'm mentioning it over here. If you want to generate random numbers after minimum value, then you should add minimum plus that rest of the number. No. Like, see, if I want to input the numbers after 5, then I will put 5 plus something, right? Pranjul.
Okay. That means we have to define a basic criteria, baseline first.
Yes, so first
right,
5
plus, like we did in defining for 2-digit random numbers.
Yes. So
that is 10 plus and minimum maximum. Okay.
Yes, especially the index is coming negative. That is the reason I'm telling you to fixate on 0 plus something.
Okay.
Be 0 and plus whatever number is generated in this. Then if it even the input number in after integer type casting, even if it is 0, it is 0 plus 0 something. It is not coming to -1. So in index only you modify this formula. Then it is not going to generate a negative index after that. Negative index means it is giving you index as -1, which is not possible now. So it is showing you like that. I think in Python you have negative indexing, right? Was it like that?
Yes, I'm slashing.
Yes. In Python you had negative index. So that negation was there in Python, but in Java we don't have negative index. So you have to work with positives only. Rishabh is telling something. I have to check once.
Can we define a test case into that?
What test case beta you are telling? Can you repeat that?
Because of that while loop, it is continuously keep on asking the questions. So can I define a test case like how many times you want to ask the question?
Yes, of course. You can fix it the limit before only that for how many questions you want the quiz to happen, or you can even do it like this, that if user is answering 3 questions correctly, then he can, leave the session, or he can, you can stop the program, any which way you are comfortable with. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
If he's answering 3 questions, then you can break and you can say that you have won the game or something like that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I made the changes and I'm done with assignment 3.
Oh, you're done with the complete assignment 3. Oh, good.
Yes, ma'am. I had completed it earlier. It was the single question in which I was facing that error.
Oh, very nice. Then. Good. Then for this examination, you are pro. See?
I'm not going to give this examination, ma'am. It is not for me.
Oh, why? This mid-semester you are not going to give?
Actually, this semester I have to study. I'm continuing the fourth semester again from University of Pitești, Romania. I told you earlier that I have been promoted from the college for that.
Yeah. Okay.
So from today or else might be tomorrow, I will be taking classes from there.
Oh, so you will not be coming in these sessions?
Maybe no.
Oh, okay.
I'm not yet sure about that because they said that due to the timeline difference, we will provide you the timetable, but we hadn't received it yet today. It was the last date. We had asked to the officials to provide us. Let us see what happens.
Yes. Otherwise, you come and attend the session. If you are free, then you are always welcome. Okay.
For sure, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Anybody having any questions? It's good, but from next semester you will be continuing here itself, right, Pranjul?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one semester you are going, right?
And I crossed you, ma'am. I'm at 3.5 stars right now.
Can you repeat that? I didn't understood.
I crossed you, ma'am. I am around 3.5 stars right now.
Oh, where?
Code Chef.
Oh, is it like that? Oh, good. I don't have time. See, that day you told me for solving those questions, I solved and posted them. But I usually don't have time for that. Okay, but it is very good. Yes, very nice, Pranjul. Very nice. See, the thing is that in Code Chef, if you don't attempt the next contest, then your rankings will get decreased automatically.
Yes, ma'am. They are downgrading like that continuously, and it is like that. But still, they are giving me on Division 3 only. They didn't allow me to participate in Division 2 or Division 1.
Because there is some marks needed for that. I think 1100.
Yeah, they gave me my global rank as 9,000 something.
Okay. So once yes. So once you'll keep on participating, you will reach. I once reached to level 7 is the highest level that I've reached. Then again, when I don't get time to participate, it automatically reduces the rank because it has.
That is so godlike structure for me. Okay, I will try.
Even you will reach there. It is easy. The more you participate, the more different questions will face, and the more that site will develop automatically. So it is good actually. Good. You can put this in your profile whenever you are applying for companies and all. Put it in your profile that I have a Code Chef account. This is my current ranking, like that.
I have it in LinkedIn.
Yes, it's good. That is good. Very nice. Bima, any questions you are facing? Yes. Call me now, beta. Why aren't you not calling me? Always call me even if you have a simplest question.
To print first odd number.
First
Odd number.
Oh, okay. Yes.
I just do odd number. I change.
No. So you are printing first
Odd number.
02. Okay. Got it. Then right click and run. Is it working fine?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Yeah. No.
The question is to print only first odd number.
Oh, okay. What is the question? Can you show it to me? Show me the question. Yes, in that one. First n odd numbers.
Yeah.
And n is to be input by user, right? Yes. Okay. So you are inputting n from user. So you are going to print first 5 odd numbers. No. These are first 5 odd numbers.
Is it correct?
Yes, the question is you have to print first n odd numbers. Okay. Now, if user is changing this n to 10, then it will print first 10 odd numbers, right? Because automatically this will change, automatically this will change, right? It is correct only. See, it is printing first 10 odd numbers, right? Correct?
I thought it was
No, correct, yes.
question of I have already done assignment.
Yes, if you have done, you can ignore that question. It's what I'm telling you, that is fine, you can ignore that. Even the 6th you might have done before, calculation, research experiment. We haven't done that. You can start with that, no problem.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Panjwani. Yeah, you are saying something?
No, ma'am, nothing.
What happened?
मुझे मैं वो while loop से बाहर कब निकलना था ना वो मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा था, पड़ गया अब 8th question पे.
Yes, it's fine. Yes, that is okay. You can do that. I am okay with that, of course.
Can I present my screen?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Yes. Okay, you have used random class. Okay, that is okay. Okay, now you are using. Can you run it again once? Yeah, is it generating different numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes, Dinesh Prasad, you can, of course. Oh, nice. Oh, done. Oh, okay. But see, for okay. See,
right answer.
Okay, but see, Panjwani, can you do it like this? If he is entering the wrong answer, then we ask him the same equation. No, we don't change the equation. Getting it? Until and unless he is not answering the correct answer, we are not changing the question at all. Getting it?
Oh, okay. तो random में same चीज कैसे लाएंगे?
सेम नहीं, देखो ऊपर करो, आप अपना यूजर के पास से इनपुट कब ले रहे हो?
यहाँ पे while loop से ही पहले.
नहीं, इनपुट कहाँ ले?
तो लिया ही नहीं मैंने.
यूजर के पास से इनपुट लिया होगा ना आंसर का.
हाँ, यहाँ पे नीचे, सॉरी.
तो अभी वो इनपुट को अगर हम while loop में डाल दे तो वहीं पे, और जैसे ही आंसर इक्वल आया ना, आंसर इक्वल टू रिजल्ट, आपने जो कंपैरिजन किया है ना वहां पे, है ना, तभी जाके ब्रेक होगा ना लूप, वरना भले ना इनफाइनाइट लूप जाए रहे. चल सकता है ना ऐसे? That we can do, no? We can keep the loop infinite until he answers the correct answer. No, we are not ready. We are not breaking the loop. Once the answer is correct, you are setting the correct answer for SOP statement. Then you break the loop. हो जाएगा ना ऐसे भी?
अब मैं थोड़ा बताओ तो. मे भी while loop के अंदर ही तो है. बाहर
वो है, वो बाहर का while loop किसके लिए? नए क्वेश्चंस के लिए, ठीक है? अगर आपने ये लाइन नंबर 44 पे प्रिंट किया है, सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन, ठीक है, और उसने आपने आंसर पूछा उसको, ठीक है, आंसर उसने फर्स्ट टाइम दिया करेक्ट, अगर आंसर इनकरेक्ट है तो फिर से वो इनपुट लेना चाहिए ना. तो ये पूरा जो 44 लाइन नंबर से पूरा while loop infinite में डाल देते हैं हम. वहां से फ्रॉम लाइन नंबर 44 itself the same expression will come here, right? वहां से
while loop.
हाँ, यहाँ पे अगर मैंने while loop infinite डाल दिया, ठीक है,
ओके,
यहाँ पे हमने इनफाइनाइट लूप डाल दिया तो वही एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा, ठीक है. एक एक्सप्रेशन के लिए बार पूछेगा. और ये लूप कब खत्म होगा? जब आपने एल्स जो रॉन्ग आंसर दिया है ना, वो एल्स के बाद ये लूप खत्म कर दो. हाँ, ठीक है. अगर खत्म हो गए, डन. अगर उसने करेक्ट आंसर दिया ना, तभी वो वहां पे ब्रेक कर दो आप. इफ इट इज करेक्ट, हाँ, देन आल्सो
इक्वल टू फॉल्स डाला तो ओके. तो इसको मैम ये इसके बूलियन वैल्यू देनी पड़ेगी ना.
तो वो ट्रू है तो ट्रू बूलियन ही हुआ ना बेटा. ट्रू इज बूलियन ओनली. नो,
ब्रेक करना होगा तब.
ब्रेक के बाद तो हो गया ब्रेक. हाँ, बस हो गया, खत्म.
ऊपर वाला while loop,
हाँ, वो आप कहाँ से ब्रेक करो? दिखाओ मुझे ऊपर वाला while loop कहाँ पे ब्रेक हो रहा है. शो इट टू मी. ऊपर कहाँ से है while loop? ऊपर आपने रखा है इनफाइनाइट.
इसको बूलियन वैल्यू दी थी.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। अच्छा तो इसको
जब भी मतलब सही आंसर डाले तो ये फॉल्स हो जाएगा और व्हाइल लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा।
बाहर का लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा ना?
यस, तब तो एक ही था।
हाँ ओके समझ गया मैं। ओके
अभी बाहर का ब्रेक किया मैंने और ये अंदर का।
हाँ 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 गॉट इट गॉट इट गॉट इट। अभी सुनो, अंदर का तो ब्रेक हो गया, बाहर का ये फॉल्स से ब्रेक हो रहा है। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ पता है? आपका प्रोग्राम अभी कैसा होगा, आपने एक एक्सप्रेशन डाला यूजर को, वो आंसर सच्चा देगा ना उसका आंसर, फिर ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा, फिर बाहर का लूप भी खत्म हो जाएगा, अंदर का भी खत्म। अभी ये सिनेरियो है, ठीक है। अगर हमें ऐसा करने की क्वेश्चंस आते ही रहे और जाए ही ना, या फिर अगर ऐसा कि उसने 3 बार करेक्ट आंसर दिया अलग अलग क्वेश्चन का, तो वो मतलब he won the game like that he want to do, then you modify the outer loop. Getting it? अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था आपके सिनेरियो में कि हर एक रॉन्ग आंसर दिया, फिर से नया क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वी वांट टू डू। जब तक सही आंसर नहीं दे दिया था ना, तब तक वी आर गोइंग टू रन द लूप इनफिनिटली। वंस यू यूज द करेक्ट आंसर यू कैन एग्जिट द लूप, देन अ फ्रेश क्वेश्चन विल कम टू यू, राइट?
ओके मैम।
हाँ अभी इसमें ये हो रहा है कि आपने करेक्ट आंसर दिया, द लूप इज ओवर नाउ। फॉर फ्रेश क्वेश्चन गो अप, you can keep while as infinite only in your main loop. Go to the main loop, upper loop. हाँ अभी उसको मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको कैसे अनइनफिनिट करना है, लेकिन अभी उसको इनफिनिट कर देते, चलो इसको इनफिनिट कर देते, इसको भी
ट्रू ही था वैसे भी।
हाँ इसको भी इनफिनिट कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, ट्रू करके। हाँ
एक ही वैल्यू चेंज नहीं करते नीचे तो फिर।
हाँ एक ही वैल्यू निकाल दो, अनकमेंट कर दो, तो भी इनफिनिट हो गया। चलेगा। हाँ अब एक बार रन करके देखते हैं।
रन करो।
अभी क्या होगा, नए नए क्वेश्चन आएंगे, पहले इसका सही जवाब देखो, तब इसका पहले गलत डालो। पंजवानी, ट्राई टू गिव रॉन्ग आंसर्स हियर।
ओके यस, रिपीट हो रहा है।
गेटिंग इट
सही डालो। हाँ क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया।
हाँ अब आपके ऊपर है कि आपको कितने क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं यूजर को। वो काउंटर डाल के फिर ब्रेक कर दो बाहर का लूप, समझ में आया?
ओके ओके ओके
व्हाट इट नाउ, उसके लिए काउंटर रख दो क्वेश्चन जनरेशन। हाँ उसके लिए क्वेश्चन जनरेशन के लिए काउंटर रख दो, मतलब ऊपर ही रखना पड़ेगा ना आपको काउंटर। यू आर मैनेजिंग द ग्लोबल लूप नाउ, नॉट दिस आंसर वाला लूप, राइट? कुछ भी हाँ, बट डिक्लेयर आपको बाहर करना पड़ेगा। पंजवानी इसको
या ना,
डिक्लेयर आपको इस काउंटर को बाहर करना पड़ेगा ना।
अच्छा मेन में ग्लोबली।
हाँ क्योंकि ग्लोबल क्या है, ग्लोबल लूप इज फॉर व्हाट, जनरेटिंग न्यू क्वेश्चंस, राइट? Every time a new question gets generated, you increment the counter or something like that, or you decrement the counter. और जब काउंटर 0 हो गया तो फिर खत्म, समझ में आ गया?
ओके तो काउंटर प्लस प्लस डालना पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ अगर आपने काउंटर की वैल्यू 3 डाली है तो फिर काउंटर रिड्यूस होगा। अगर आपको 0 तक चलाना है या कैसे करना है, आप बोलो कैसे करना है आपको।
हाँ मैम समझ गया मेरी। हाँ
है ना,
काउंटर की वैल्यू मेरे को 0 डालनी चाहिए थी एक्चुअली।
कोई बात नहीं। और एक गलती कर रहे हो आप यहाँ पे, सी ये वाइल लूप किसके लिए है? ये इनफिनिटली चलेगा। कब तक? जब तक यूजर गलत आंसर डाल रहा है तो चले जाए,
आंसर का है और वो क्वेश्चन का था, सॉरी मैम।
हाँ समझना कि आपको ये चीजें कहाँ पे रखनी है, बाहर के लूप में। हाँ वहां पे मैनेज करोगे आप इसको। यस और जैसे ही क्वेश्चन जनरेट हो रहा है ना, भले ही काउंटर को प्लस प्लस कर दो, क्वेश्चन कहाँ पे जनरेट हो रहा है अपना, जनरेशन कहाँ पे हो रहा है क्वेश्चन का, वो वाइल लूप के अंदर नहीं होगा, वाइल लूप के बाहर होगा ना क्वेश्चन जनरेट। वो प्रिंट हो रहा है सिर्फ, लेकिन जनरेट तो उसके बाहर हो ही गया है अपना। तो कहीं पे भी वो इनफिनिट लूप के बाहर कहीं पे भी काउंटर को इंक्रीमेंट करवा दो, क्योंकि अंदर करवाया मतलब क्या, यू आर मैनेजिंग द आंसर काउंटर।
यस मैम।
हाँ तो अगर ये वाइल लूप ट्रू जो इनफिनिट है 46 नंबर का वाइल लूप, वो किसके लिए है? वो गलत आंसर डाल रहा है, उसको एंटर करने दो। तो ये 3 बार इसके चांसेस नहीं है। We want 3 new questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये काउंटर कहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट होगा? वो वाइल लूप के बाहर ही इंक्रीमेंट होगा ना।
अच्छा ओके मैम,
समझ में आया? इसके अंदर को तो हम ये मैनेज करें कि वो ट्राई दिए जाए, नया ट्राई भले ना 1500 बार गलत डाले, उसको तो आंसर देना ही है ठीक से। लेकिन अभी ये काउंटर क्या हो गया, ये क्वेश्चन का काउंटर हो गया, समझ में आया?
यस मैम।
अब करके देखो,
अब 3 बार सही आंसर देना और ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा 3 बार।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
नहीं हुआ ब्रेक।
करो और एक बार, फिर से वही क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रही है? एक और लेस देन लिखा है, लेस देन इक्वल्स टू लिखा है, एक बार देख लो तो ऊपर
इक्वल्स टू लिखा है।
हाँ तो फिर लेस देन 0 है ना, स्टार्ट से हमारा 0 हो रहा है ना स्टार्ट।
यस मैम
0 1 2 हो गया
अब 3 बार चलेगा
तो हाँ अभी 3 बार हो जाएगा। समझ में आ गया?
यस मैम एकदम क्लियर
हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया है, क्वेश्चन बढ़िया है ये वाला, आपका आंसर भी बहुत बढ़िया है।
थैंक यू मैम
Yes, yes, good, good, good. Seeing you people try, I enjoy that. It's lovely, very nice. Yes. Anybody having any questions? You can unmute yourself and talk to me. Pranjul, don't let this to be our last lab, okay? Pranjul, I want you to come in the lab sessions and everywhere, okay? Whenever you are free, whenever you have energy, try to attend the sessions, okay? Hima, is it going okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Just
questions?
one question.
Okay, okay, good, good, good.
I faced one before it.
Oh, so then tell me now. Yes, yes, yes. What happened? Tell me.
Question number 5.
Question number 5.
Yes.
Okay. It's very easy. You're comfortable with maths?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Then it is good. You know this, if there are two circles like this, the question is you have to check whether it is overlapping others or not,
Yes.
whether it is inside or overlapping, right?
Yes.
Then you are given this radius, right? You are given radius 1 and radius 2 for circle C1 and circle C2. Okay. Now, if these are the two scenarios, are they overlapping or not? If they are overlapping, then what is happening? You see, the summation of distance, the distance formula, you know the distance formula to find the distance between two circles. X1 minus x to the whole square plus y1 minus y to the whole square, right? This is the distance formula, right? If this distance is less than or equals to summation of both this radius, what does this mean? Can you tell me? Distance is less than sum of both the radius and distance is less than subtraction of both the radius. Yes, correct. And this is inside. And this will overlap, right? Correct. This is the formula you have to put. Easy? Okay, Divyajit, are you there? Divyajit is not there. Udairaj, are you there? Rishabh, Anushali, Harshvardhan, Limbani is not there. Arjun Maharana not there. Okay. Tanmayraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ruby is not there. Netik is not there. Armik. Saifali, you are there, but you are not talking to me. I don't know why.
Ma'am. Yes,
You are
ma'am.
there. Which question you are doing right now? Can you tell me? Yes, if you have questions, you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Yes, Tanmira, you are saying something.
मैम मैं प्रेजेंट था, लैपटॉप का माइक काम नहीं कर रहा और चैट भी, इसलिए फोन से भी कनेक्ट कर बोल रहा हूँ.
Oh, okay, no problem. I have marked you present. Tanmira, no problem. Yes, if you have any questions, you can stay in the session. Otherwise, I am okay. You can leave.
Done with the attendance
Yeah, Darshan, I have taken your attendance. Yes.
because you didn't take my name.
I know you know, so I have marked you present. Don't worry. Samir Alam, you also have marked you as present. Don't worry. You Yes. You can leave the session. If you are working on the questions, if you have any questions, you can stay. Otherwise, I am okay. You can leave.
मैम
Yes, बेटा.
मैम जीसीडी का थोड़ा बताओ ना.
किसका बताना है आपको, फिर से बताओ.
जीसीडी के बारे में.
अच्छा, ये गूगल का.
अरे नहीं, ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर.
मैं सोच रही हूँ आप गूगल का कंपटीशन की बात कर रहे हो. ओके फाइन. You know HCF, highest common factor, you know बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
That is GCD. In other terms, it is greatest common divisor. Both are same. If you know HCF, you can do GCD. Both are same only. Another term.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay. मतलब उससे बड़ा फैक्टर दोनों में कॉमन कोई भी नहीं है.
हाँ, वही निकालना है आपको इसमें.
16 और 100 है तो 4 है. 4 के बाद कोई ऐसा नंबर ही नहीं है जो दोनों में आता हो.
Yes, correct. जैसे 36 को ले लो. चलो 36 और एक ले लेते हैं 60. ठीक है, तो 12 है. 12 आएगा, उसके बाद नहीं आएगा. वो कोई भी नंबर देख लो आप. 12 के बाद दोनों
सही है. मैं बनाया प्रोग्राम पर अभी भी थोड़ा सही है.
इसको रिकर्जन से करोगे ना तो इजीली हो जाएगा. समझवा नहीं, ये रिकर्जन से बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा.
मैम फॉर लूप लगाया एक बस,
फिर भी चलेगा.
मैम रिकर्जन की इतनी आदत नहीं है.
हाँ, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
मैम अरेज और इन सब की भी इतनी नहीं है. लिस्ट में स्टोर करवा के आपने जो प्रांजुल को पिछली बार बताया ना, परसेंट और ये सब उसमें डालने का अरे में, इसकी इतनी वो आदत नहीं है तो उतना नहीं हो जाएगा ना.
तो इसलिए प्रोग्राम तो दिए आपको कि आपको कर लो. इसमें कुछ
मैंने डायरेक्ट इंडेक्स नंबर दे दिए थे.
अच्छा. हाँ.
और मैम आज आपने क्लास में भी एक दिया था सुपर
सुपर डिजिट, वो तो बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है पंजवानी। हाँ क्या हुआ?
लॉजिक तक किया मैंने, पर आगे अब चल नहीं रहा। आगे मतलब मुझे स्टोर करवाना है किसी चीज में, तो हो जाएगा वो
आंसर को ना, फिर उसी आंसर को ऐड करोगे आप, ऐसा बोल रहे हो ना?
हाँ मैम, हाँ मैम ऐसा ही। हाँ
हो जाएगा आराम से, आपका लॉजिक सही जा रहे हो, कर लो, हो जाएगा। मॉड्यूल 10 कर करके आपको ऐड ही करना है ना,
मॉड्यूल 10 तक।
मतलब
मैन्युअली ऐड करवा रहा हूँ मैं अभी, पर यूजर कितने नंबर डालता है वो हमें नहीं मालूम है ना।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो यू आर गोइंग टिल लेंथ लाइक दैट, यू आर डूइंग, हाउ यू आर डूइंग?
मैम रुको एक मिनट। Tell me when it gets visible.
Yes, I can see your screen. अच्छा आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, ओके। ओके। Yes.
अभी मैम, अभी जैसे अगर मेरे को 5 डिजिट का डालना हो तो फिर तो फेल हो जाएगा नहीं है। मुझे अभी तक स्टोर करवाना नहीं आ रहा है जावा में ठीक से।
लेकिन सुनो मेरी बात, ये करने की जरूरत ही नहीं ना आपको। देखो एक बार ये रिकर्जन का मतलब क्या है, आप कैसे में कैन यू स्टॉप शेयरिंग 1 मिनट?
यस मैम।
Is are you able to see my screen?
Yes ma'am.
How shall I explain this sir? Okay, अगर आपने कोई फंक्शन बनाया है सपोज, ठीक है, तो इसमें अगर आप नंबर पास कर रहे हो तो आप नंबर पास ही ना करो ना, आप एक बार इसको अपने x पास किया इसमें, ठीक है, तो इसके बॉडी में वॉट एवर इज द कंप्लीट नंबर, से इट इज 5 7 6 8, ठीक है, then inside this functions body what will you do? You extract using mode 10, right?
वही किया है मैंने भी।
हाँ, लेकिन अगर आप दूसरी बार फिर इसको रिकर्जन में कॉल कर रहे हो ना, तो डोंट पास दिस 8, नो, जस्ट पास x divided by 10, so only 5 7 6 will pass, no?
ओके मैम, मतलब इसको एक t वेरिएबल दे दूं और ये t पास करता रहूं बार बार?
t को नहीं, x को ही पास करना है, लेकिन दूसरी बार आप x by 10 को पास कर रहे हो, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, जो अपना ओरिजिनल नंबर है 5 6 7 8 उसका डिवाइडेड बाय 10, मतलब 5 7 6 पास हुआ इस दूसरी बार जब फंक्शन कॉल हुआ तब यहाँ पे।
ओके यस मैम।
इसमें तो क्या होगा कि 6 निकालेगा ना, यहाँ पे t का वैल्यू 6 हो जाएगा, फिर t को तो आपको ऐड करना है ना, सम इक्वल्स टू सम प्लस t करके, है ना, तो अभी 6 आया, दूसरी बार अगर 5 7 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 मतलब 57 ही जाएगा ना यहाँ पे।
यस मैम।
आपको ये परसेंटेज 100 का जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ 10 से ही हो सकता है ना आपका जुगाड़।
हाँ मैम वो तो है। यस मैम,
ऐसे कर लो। ये इजी रहेगा।
स्टोर भी नहीं करवाना
किसी को, स्टोर नहीं, अच्छा ये जो आंसर है ना उसी को सम इक्वल्स टू सम प्लस कर लो तो भी चलेगा ना, सम प्लस दिस थिंग।
ओके मैम, समझ गया।
हाँ ये इजी रहेगा, आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है अगर देखो तो, है ना।
ओके मैम,
कर लो एक बार, नहीं हो तो फिर से मुझे बोलना, है ना।
अभी करूँ या फिर करके आऊँ फिर बाद में, फिर कभी?
Just see, we still have 4 minutes. You want to do? I'm okay with that. You can do it if you want. Otherwise, if you don't have energy, we can do it in the next session. I'm okay, हाँ, पंजवानी। जब भी चले आपको, जब भी you have energy, you try it, okay?
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
You will be able to do it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
और अगर एरेस के लिए क्वेश्चन चाहिए पंजवानी, I have 1000 number of questions if you want, okay? I'll give you more questions if you want, हाँ।
क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा टाइम का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है अभी,
क्योंकि पूल फुल हो गया ना इसलिए।
मैम वो 4 बजे तक ले ली तो फिर मैम बहुत वो थकावट होती है।
यस मैम, हम लोग का अपना एक ग्रुप भी है फॉर कोडिंग, मतलब मैं, राज एंड हम दोनों के दोस्त, तो वी आर टोटल 4, तो बट प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, टाइम ही मैनेज नहीं हो पाता, कॉलेज का इतना काम होता है।
We had this problem with previous students also. So they used to keep one coding hour, like 10 to 11, 1 hour. They all will sit together in conference and then they will do coding. 1 hour, code hour was there. Like that they kept, my other college students, no? You can keep 1 hour like that. Whenever you're free or even half an hour, it is okay. Don't do it at your time. Do it with your friends. So you both will progress, together.
मैम हैश कोड में पार्टिसिपेट किया था मैंने और भवदीप ने।
मुझे आया था मैसेज, हाँ।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ, उसने मेल किया था ना, किसने मुझे मेल किया था? नहीं नहीं, अच्छा, you two both participated.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. Then what happened?
Ma'am, world rank chat box में लिखी है.
Panjwani.
India 176.
Oh, oh, good. No, Panjwani.
Gujarat first.
Good. Yes, yes, yes. You are right. See, wow, very good. Even they will have this Google Code Gem also. They will have. Okay.
Ma'am, I was excluded from hashtag. I didn't got any group. I was solo, so I was
मेरे को
excluded.
मैंने बोला पूछा था ना विभूषा नहीं हो तो मेरे को बोलना. देख
भाई तुझे बोला और उसने मेरे को बोला था कि है, बट जब वो लिंक के थ्रू ज्वाइन कर रही थी ना, तो लिंक वाज नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल. वो ज्वाइन ही नहीं हो पा रही थी.
वो जीमेल, वो जो आईडी से तुमने उसमें रजिस्टर किया हो ना, तुम्हारा गूगल में जो मेन लॉगिन भी उसी से होना चाहिए.
हाँ, वो मैंने उसको बोला था, बट वो सब करने के बाद भी वो क्या होता था, लिंक ओपन नहीं हो रही थी वो.
अच्छा, but you could have told me before, no, Pranjul. Why are you telling me this now? Come on, yeah, these things you tell me before only. Now you now you participate in this Google Code Gem, and it is again a good contest.
Yes, ma'am, I'm participating in Code Jam and Kick also.
Kickstart is also good. Yes, yes. Well, if you pass round A, you will get certificate for sure, and that is very beneficial for interviews and all that. Oh, you have cleared round A. That's good, like that.
Ma'am, hash code का मिलेगा certificate.
Hash code ka, I think after qualification round, if you pass, you will be getting. No, you have to go in next round. No, qualification round you will not get certificate, but for round 1A, round 1B, like that rounds are there.
Next round तो सिर्फ top 25 टीम होंगी वर्ल्ड की.
In hash code ऐसा है.
हाँ मैं वर्ल्ड की top 20 में, हमारा तो 1110 रैंक है मैम. 20,000 प्लस अभी कहाँ जाएगा ना.
Yes, I got it. That is okay, Panjwani. That is okay. But in Google Code Gem, what they are doing, they are creating 3-4 rounds, and then in the 5th round, they are calling all of them in California like that. तो पहले 4 राउंड रहेंगे आपके लिए Code Gem में. तो in that you can participate. That is okay. वहाँ पे आपको round 1A के बाद certificate, round 1B के बाद certificate, like that they'll give you certificate. So far I have reached till round C. Round B I have not cleared. Till round C I have reached. After I clear round D, then I'll be called California like that. They have mentioned. But I have not been participated in round C. That is left for me. Round D. That is left for me.
मैम इस बार भी पार्ट लिया है क्या आपने?
इस बार मैंने किया नहीं है, लेकिन अभी मैं देखती हूँ अगर हो जाए ना तो. उसके लिए बहुत छोटी पढ़ के बैठना पड़ता है पंजवानी. You have to leave everything and then you have to sit quietly. Focus your mind. You have to ask. You have to even solve the past questions. Even I solved it previously, I wouldn't be able to solve it again. I have to put my mind again in those questions. Those questions are very much critical. If you think qualification round is easy.
जो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन था ना हैश कोड का, वो इजी था.
वो इजी होगा. हाँ, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन
इजी था ना, तब बहुत टफ था मैम इस बार ट्रैफिक सिग्नल वाला.
But team यूज हुआ था. Yes, it's good if you have a team. You can accumulate and get your ideas in straight line. Team के बगैर तो नहीं हो सकता. Even Code Gem also will require a team, I guess. Code Gem is not requiring a team, but it is good if you have a team like that.
Okay, yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
हाँ, तो फिर साथ में.
मैं और प्रांजल हैकेथॉन में चैटबॉट वाला लिया है हमने.
RNC हैकेथॉन.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, ये राजकोट हैकेथॉन में मैम.
Yes, good.
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करो ना.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait.